There was once a queen who lived for admiration. Everywhere she went, people knelt so quickly their knees bruised. Servants trailed behind her with flowers, musicians played whenever she yawned, and citizens practiced compliments the way soldiers practiced marching. The queen drank their praises like water. The more they adored her, the more she demanded. Soon, she refused to step outside unless people shouted blessings loud enough to echo through the castle walls. One afternoon, a quiet traveler visited the palace. He brought no gifts, no flowers, no songs, just a tiny glass bird. He bowed and said, "Your Majesty, this bird doesn't sing for praise. It sings only for honesty. If you wish, I can place it near your heart. Then you will hear what people truly feel about you." The queen, confident in her perfection, scoffed. "Do it," she commanded. The moment the glass bird touched her chest, it fluttered its wings and released a soft hum. And suddenly, voices filled her ears. Not loud praise, not sweet compliments, but whispers, raw, quiet, and real. "She only cares about herself. I wish she knew how much she hurts us. She's beautiful, but her heart frightens me. May someone humble her." The queen staggered. Her fingers trembled. She covered her ears, but the whispers slipped through anyway. "Stop!" she screamed. "This is not true!" The traveler simply shook his head.
You asked for truth. Truth existed long before you heard it. Praises tell you how people want you to feel. Honesty tells you who you really are.
The queen stood silent, for the first time in years. And the bird? It perched softly against her heart, waiting to sing again whenever she was ready to hear herself clearly.